So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the price filters for hotels here on kayak.com. So once you open up kayak.com, I want you to go ahead here and go to where it says stays. So here on the main page, make sure that stays is selected. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and just select the city that you're going to. So for this example, I'll just go ahead here and how about I type in Vegas for Las Vegas. So I have Las Vegas selected right here. I'll just go ahead and select these dates as an example, and let's go ahead and press on search. So once you have been generated to, or once you have gone to this screen right here, in order to edit the price filters, it's very straightforward. Go to this top bar where it says price. I want you to press on the drop down. Then you can go ahead here and change the fees, or I guess the prices that are being shown. So if you want to go ahead and maybe change it, you can slide this bar to the left. So if your budget, for example, per night is 200 and whatever dollars, so 182 and less, it'll actually show you how much listings are in this. Go ahead and press on apply, and then you can go ahead and edit the price filters this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit price filters for hotels on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.